Hello and welcome to the FGS channel. I have a sweet tea in here. I went and got mashed potatoes, small. I got coleslaw. I got my favorite popcorn chicken. And I got some cheese. Gotta have cheese with popcorn chicken. And let's do a taste test. Yeah, really good. Popcorn chicken. As you can see, I bought 2 of them because I really like them. But now I have to find, oh, the fork. Yeah. The fork. And when you go to KFC, you got to ask them for a fork. Like, they don't literally give you a fork. Like, some of them are, I guess. Not every one of them. But here we go. Oh, yeah. It's good that it's cold. Of course, I'm back at my favorite park. So, I'm a Lyft driver, and everything's pretty good. As a Lyft driver, so I don't get really upset, is I try to eat during my time. I'll tell you, I told everybody about this park that I'm at. Put that on YouTube. Now, I constantly see a bunch of people here. I should have kept it a secret so nobody else would be here. Because now I want it to be at a different area where the site would have been great. But there's just so many people here. Can't get in my spot. But I gotta say, from all the other chicken, the popcorn chicken finally has some flavor. The young generation ain't gonna understand it, but KFC chicken used to be fantastic. And for some reason, they stopped making chicken with flavor to save money or whatever. I have no idea why. But I lost my business on buying chicken, but I had to try out this popcorn chicken. And the popcorn chicken, I'm going to give 10 stars to it. I mean, I eat good every day anyways. I love trying out new food. As you can see, if you watch a couple of my videos, I have cooking shows on there and how to make some especially delicious spaghetti, but you have to follow it how I made it. Their mashed potatoes are pretty good too, though. I like to get all the carbs I need. I mean, it ain't like I really work out anyways. Yeah. But again, popcorn chicken's delicious. They got 10 stars from me. I mean, I love dipping it in cheese because I love cheese. I think cheese comes good with popcorn chicken. But, I mean, just eating them by itself is very good. Very good. The reason I keep looking up is I'm not in the house, in my privacy in my own house. So there's people that, you know, are like looking at me like, what the heck is he doing with the camera? But, yeah. There's a lot of pieces in here too. I mean, they're small, but I gotta say at least, there's probably at least, I don't know, 50, 60 pieces in here. I really like it though. So anyways, being a Lyft driver, you have a lot of freedom. I don't like working for people. I'd love to be able to just be out when I need $50, $20, $100. I can get in my car, drive somebody somewhere, make some money. I don't have a boss telling me I got 10 minutes to eat. I mean, it feels good. I can take a 10-minute break from 10-hour break if I want to. And then I realized with Lyft that if you're trying to do like 10 rides a day, 20 rides a day, every day, you're going to be one miserable person. I mean, you're just not going to enjoy life. But this is the day driving with the Lyft driver. It was a good day today. I could spoil myself because my first ride I got a $36 bonus. Then I was able to take the guy from the Pittsburgh area all the way to Cranberry. So the trip was exactly let me see, I got a tip from him too, so I rounded off with $80, $82. So yeah, one ride, $82. I mean, and here's the thing, like, to go back that way, now if I was to be able to come back and pick somebody up, we're making around $160. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. No, I got two of these, but this one is filling me up. And then I was like looking at my cheese like, a bug fell on my cheese. So anyways, I just wanted to really do a review on the popcorn chicken. And I say if you really want flavor, this chicken is good. Thank you for coming.